Today is Saturday, June 11th. Our plan is for Dave to be leaving to go to Edmonton on Monday. So we've been collecting a whole bunch of things to take along with him into the RV, and then he's going to go there and put it in our name. And he's also going to get all the other little details figured out so that it'll be ready for us on the 12th of August when we come back from our trip on the boat. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we have gotten collected so far. Here's the car, wide open doors. We're going to try to fit boxes and tools and food and sleeping bags, etc. in it. I'll show you a little bit more. This is what Dave's got in so far. And then in the garage we have a few more things. I think he wants to take this toolbox and that toolbox, and that's got a few things, and I think the jerry can and also these tools. I'm not sure. There's other things sitting around here, but I think he's been collecting things. These are the things that I've been putting together so far. This is over here is our laundry, and I got the pillows and towels and stuff, some towels and stuff in there. There's one sleeping bag, I got to get another one, and then towels and cloths and things. We've got food, condiments, personal items, some vitamins, pots and pans, kettle. We need the kettle is over there, and I've got some right over here is, I think that's canned chicken. So we've got some shelf stable things as well too to eat. So now I'm going to try to put everything together and pack them up. These 3 items are my last things, and then I'm going to check my list. The one thing I forgot is how often I have to go up and down the stairs. So today I'm getting good exercise. Months of collecting and thinking about what we would need have gone into this Prius. This space here is empty or movable because Dave thinks that this is where he wants to sleep. I told him to go sleep in a motel, but he thinks he doesn't want to do that, so we'll see. The only thing we think we got left to do is put in our winter clothes, and we can leave that probably till Sunday night. But I'll show you the other side of the car too. Down here we've got our fishing poles. This is our gold panning set. We've got chairs to enjoy what we're going to do. So this is all in here. Dave's going to put this toolbox in the front seat while he sleeps in the back, he thinks. But there's a dish pan and a hose and the Instapot. I think we got everything we need. Now the car is full and Dave's ready to start.